Here's how to set up your own equivalent of the Shift-X default text, but using your own paragraph style. So I'm going to go to Engrave mode and go Engrave Paragraph Styles, create a new paragraph style that I'm going to call Text Box. I'm going to set the font to something completely different. I'll go with Courier, just to make it really obvious. And I'm going to turn the size down to 11, and I'm going to put a border around it. I'm then going to click this star, which saves this paragraph style as default, making it available in all projects. Click OK. Now I'm going to go to Dorico Preferences, and I'm going to go Key Command, search for text, go Create System Text, find Default Text, and I'm going to remove the key command for Shift-Alt-X. I'm then going to set a shortcut of Shift-Alt-X for Text Box and confirm. I'm then going to go Create Text, and again I'm going to go Default Text, remove Shift-X, go to Text Box, set Shift-X, add key command, apply, and close. Now, when I type Shift-X, I'm in Engrave mode. Now, when I type Shift-X, you'll see that my paragraph style text box is selected, and you can see Courier, size 11. This is some text at Courier 11. And it's got a box around it. And same here, if I go Shift-Alt-X, again, text box, Courier. This is system text. And with any luck, if I switch to the part layout, I've got my system text. So that's pretty much it.